Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mention notifications in Notes and what these are on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then swipe down and tap on Notes. Then you want to swipe down again and search for mention notification. So from the factory settings, this feature should be set to on, and what it does, so you're going to receive a notification on this device when your name is mentioned in shared notes. So if you have a note, let's say this one right here, for the just the purpose, and you're going to share it, for example, with somebody, and then someone is going to share your name in this note, you are going to get a notification about it. And the same goes with someone is going to share his note to you, you're going to have it right here in your notes. So you're going to get a notification when you are going, when someone is going to mention your name in this specific note. So now you have those notifications turned to on. Now you don't have those notifications. So from this time, if you have this feature to off, you are not going to get a notification even if someone is going to mention your name in shared notes. So this is it. Now it's on, now it's off. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!